absolutely mind blown. I recently asked ChatGPT 5 to do some TikTok shop product research for me, and the results just completely blew me away. I'm gonna show you the initial brainstorming process of coming up with the prompt firstly from me, and then I'm going to walk you through how I got ChatGPT to then expand that prompt into something that ChatGPT agent could interpret easily and understand. And the prompt that it came up with was crazy, and I'm going to show you the results that ChatGPT agent came up with, how long it worked for, and make sense of the results that it came with. But firstly, if you're new here, hi, my name is Victor, and no, I don't always wear this very comfortable Bluetooth headband. It's just so comfortable. For some reason, I refuse to take it off today. And no, this is not a sponsored thing. If you're new to this channel, I talk about e-commerce, AI, and social media, and how you can use all three to make your life easier if you're interested in those topics. So if that sounds good to you, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe. My goal was to do some product research for TikTok shop. So imagine that I am a new TikTok shop store owner. So I'm just starting out. I don't know what to sell, or I'm a new TikTok shop affiliate, which is the person that creates user-generated videos in order to promote the products that the store owner is selling. The core message is I need to find winning products. I said, make life easy and find these products for me. So this is the initial prompt I came up with. I said, draft a detailed prompt to ask the ChatGPT 5 agent to do some TikTok shop product research. I need 5 proven high performance products in the UK market suitable for new TikTok shop owners and affiliates. They need to be high margin, easy to promote via UGC TikTok video ads. And the reason why I put that there is just so I don't get any complicated products that are tied up in a web of regulation that many steps in order to be approved to sell those products. I wanted the simplest, most high margin products that the agent could find. It needs to use only publicly accessible free sources. No need to log into any. The new ChatGPT here, it needs to use public sources where it doesn't need to log in. The reason I'm doing this is I'm being lazy. It'll stop if it needs your permission to log into somewhere. I don't want the agent to stop. I just want it to complete the full task and come up with a report for me without needing to be interrupted. This means you can take your child to school while it's running. You can go for a run. You can start some other jobs. You can go and make yourself a drink, or you could do your 9 to 5 and check what it came back with when you're back home. Because usually the agent is going to take some time to draft those, to do its research and draft those results for you. So once completed, the agent will need to draft a detailed report on the chosen products, rationalizing why they will work, stating evidence, how to easily acquire these products, and showcase success stories. So I want proof that these products are working. I want it to tell me how it found out that these programs are working. Big leap from the initial versions where you could ask it something and it just gives you an answer and there's barely any citations of where it got that information from. But I want that here. I want to know where and how it found out these products work. Give me proof and show me these products do work. That was my prompt. So this is now just the ChatGPT 5 model, not the agent mode. We took my prompt idea and it came up with this monster prompt here. I'm not going to read everything, but I just want to highlight the main key points before we jump into the results. We broke it down into these areas: the role, critical constraints, approved public data sources, research methods, scoring rubric, deliverables, and how it's going to frame the information. It's come up with this nice table here where it's going to rank the product. It's going to state what the product is, what category it is, how much it is, UK retail, supplier, shipping cost, margin, which all of these things are absolutely key, right? If you are a new store owner, you need to understand costs to determine profit. And we've got 2 final picks, how to launch fast for both sellers. So not only do we have these products, we've got now a plan of how to launch fast for both sellers and affiliates. This is absolutely crazy. And then we've got output rules. So the information that it's now going to present to me, these are the rules of how that information is going to be presented. So this is how it goes. You can pause this video, by the way, if you want to make a note of this information here, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make this prompt available to download. If you are enjoying this video, the YouTube algorithm doesn't know my channel exists unless people press the like button and subscribe. If you think I deserve it, we now know how I brainstormed the prompt. We now know the prompt that ChatGPT itself came up with. So in order for ChatGPT agent to understand clearly what I'm asking for, we're now going to move on to the result. I went ahead and pasted this prompt. This is now ChatGPT agent mode. For those of you who don't know, in order to activate ChatGPT agent mode, I think you may need to be on the paid version of ChatGPT. I'm not sure. I'm using ChatGPT Plus. Obviously, we all have different situations and motivations. It's up to you whether you want to use paid or not. And this is not sponsored by OpenAI in any way. So you go onto the box where it says describe a task. If you click plus, this is where you can cycle through the different modes. You've got deep research, create image, study and learn. There's more here, canvas, coding related project, web research. But I honestly think agent mode does all of this. I could be wrong, but it just does a lot. You can add photos and files, click on the mode you want, and make sure that you've selected the right mode as well, because agent does tend to take time to complete its task. If you want quick answers, then make sure you're on the right mode to get just quick high-level answers for simple questions that you're asking. So this is what agent mode came up with. This result. It worked for 25 minutes in total. You see what I mentioned earlier about making a drink or taking your kids to school, taking your pet for a walk, or even going and completing your full workday and rechecking the prompt. And you can see now why it's important that I asked it to only use publicly available sources, so it doesn't need to log into anything. If it needed to log into anything, it would have stopped and said, I can't continue until you give me access and log into this site for me. TikTok Shop UK product research, August 2025. We've got an executive summary. This is like a whole report, C-suite level stuff. It just goes to show the importance of being clear and intentional when you draft the initial prompt. If you ask for something vague that doesn't make any sense, it'll give you a result that's vague, doesn't make any sense. The UK TikTok shop is growing rapidly, but competition is fierce. It's crazy. To find products that work for both new sellers and affiliates, I analyze public trend signals, TikTok, YouTube content, public sales data, Google Trends, checked UK retail pricing on eBay, Amazon, and cross-reference wholesale costs from Alibaba. I filtered out regulated or risky items and focused on products easy to demonstrate, lightweight, economical shipping, and capable of 60% plus estimated gross margin. That alone would have taken me hundreds of dollars to pay someone to spend a day, 2 days, 3 days to do that research for me. I've got children, I'm married, I've got a job. I only have a limited amount of time. The agent mode has gone, which I wouldn't have even thought of. Insane. 5 product categories consistently showed strong demand momentum, user-generated hooks, clear margins, press-on nails, microfiber cleaning cloths, shock-proof MagSafe phone cases, electric foot removers, and African exfoliating net sponges can be sourced cheaply via Chinese or UK suppliers, and they retail for $15 to $30 and align well with TikTok's visual storytelling format. Yeah, summarizing what it's done for me and what it's come up with, this would have taken me ages to cover this whole scope of research. Yes, it might have taken me 30 minutes to an hour, but this scope and things I wouldn't have thought about. Absolutely. I'm not going to read everything, just cover the high level results here. So top 10 shortlist scorecard, weighted score. Is this a scorecard I copied and pasted? Yes, it is. So this is the scorecard. This is not the best way to view it. So I copied it and pasted it into this spreadsheet here, which I think is a slightly better way to visualize it. We've got the rank, product category, retailing price, sub cost, estimated shipping, estimated margin, demand momentum. We have got UGC, so how easy it is to promote this product and create videos around it, because some products are really complicated, right? You have to like spend a really long time and tiptoe over all these different TikTok violation landmines like fat loss and medical products. These chosen products bypass all of that. The weight of the product, is it affiliate friendly? key evidence links. So it's giving me the sources where it got this information, which is absolutely key because it validates that these products are likely going to perform well. Historically, there is evidence that they are performing well. Another reason I like this is you can check whether the sources are reputable websites like Hostinger, for example. That's a huge source, and they do VPNs and they do all the web domains. So I know that's 100% reputable. There's the ship, a couple of different sources here. So that reassures me. If these were weird sites no one's heard of, you question how reputable the information that you are getting is. And interested in growing with AI instead of fearing AI, I have got some free courses that you can access that are beginner friendly on my Skillshare profile. I will link them in the description. Not only are you going to learn how to utilize and grow with AI and make your life a ton easier, you're also going to be supporting this channel and allowing me to create more content like this freely for you guys. But back into this report here. So we can see the products selected here. Pause the video if you want to make a note of the products. This is just insane. Let's test some of these products. Let me find them on TikTok Shop. Now it's loaded. I'm just going to go into product marketplace. There it is. So I'm just going to type in the names of some products here. So we've got press on nails. I just want to see firstly if they are appearing on TikTok Shop and how they're performing. Press on nails. So yeah, there they are. I don't know how well my webcam is focusing, but we can see these products are real. Let's also see how well the products are performing. I'm not going to cover how to determine if a product is performing well within TikTok Shop. The price is £6 to £13, which is good. Reviews are a bit shaky, 2.9k on average, but they've sold 19.7k. So they're selling a lot, even though the reviews are mixed. And I can also see that there's some creators here that are creating videos. These are UGC videos from TikTok creators promoting TikTok Shop affiliates. That's a good sign if there are people doing that. And in terms of commission, 69p per sale. So all in all, it is showing that the product is there, which is a good sign. And a good way to validate these products is going to TikTok Shop and just kind of browse and see what's coming up. Jumping back into the report that Agent Mode came up with into each product, we can see why it wins, what works on TikTok, evidence of traction, which is key in understanding why this product is doing well. We've got unit retail price, supplier cost. Is this worth selling for you? Are you going to make enough money from this product as a TikTok shop using dropshipping? Again, I've done previous videos talking about how to dropship on TikTok Shop, whether you're using services like Doba alongside Shopify and having TikTok Shop in that ecosystem as well. Feel free to go and check those out. Acquisition sources. This is saving you a ton of time finding out where can I get this product in order to dropship or sell it as a store. It's already telling you where you can get the product and how much you could potentially get for it. I like that there's UK wholesalers as well. For me personally, if you're buying from somewhere like AliExpress or Temu, there's just that little bit less trust than there is if you're buying it here in the UK. I know that doesn't really make sense, but it feels closer because I'm in the UK. Do you feel like some people might feel that depending on where you are? Microfiber cleaning cloths, 13-piece pack, evergreen. Yeah, so it's going now into the second product, breaking it down using the same points, and it moves on to the third product, the fourth product, and so forth. So we've got essentially an entire report here that if I had employees, if I had a virtual assistant, if I had a team of people that are going to help me run my dropshipping store, if I'm selling within my own Shopify store, I could just use this report and say, hey guys, this is the report that I've come up with. Can you please proof this? Go onto one or two of these supplier websites, take 10 minutes, just double check and proof everything. And we can go ahead, test these products, maybe test the top 2 or top 3 and see if they are selling. If they are, we can then go ahead and get started. One of the quickest ways to get started testing products like this is by creating AI generated UGC ads. If you don't know what those are, AI videos where you have an avatar, just like me, talking head that will have your product in the video and start promoting that product. You don't necessarily have to have that product in hand. If you do, that's great, but if you don't, it's a quick way to test and fail fast to see what products are getting traction. Once you get that winning product, you can then start really investing in that product and getting product up and running and selling it to Shopify or Amazon. I've left the link in the description for a service called Arc Ads, which allows you to create AI generated UGC ads easily and quickly. I've done a video as well breaking down how to go about creating those ads. It is an affiliate link. It helps support the channel, so feel free to check that out. How to launch fast. We've got a launch pack for a new TikTok shop. I don't want to make this video super long, so I'm not going to go through this. If you guys would like me to do more longer videos of this style where I actually do a deep dive into these details, let me know in the comments. I can do longer deep dives like 45 minutes, an hour and so forth, or even live streams where I break this types of information down. Affiliate quick start for sellers, quick start for TikTok shop affiliates, risks and how to mitigate those risks. There's also a really cool thing that ChatGPT 5 does as well. Basically, the way that it works is it opens up, and some of you will know this, or some of you won't. Once you request it to complete a task, it opens up a virtual computer. You can see the screen and you can see the work that it's doing. You can see its thinking process as well. It kind of lets you know as it goes along. I'm looking at these 10 different websites. I'm going to try and compile it so you can see why it's doing, which is crazy. You can stop it anytime if it's hitting websites you're not wanting to get information from. You can take over at any point. That may be outside the scope of this video, but if you'd like me to delve deeper into ChatGPT 5 and how it can help with TikTok, social media growth, YouTube, e-commerce, dropshipping, and so forth, let me know in the comments. But we can also see here, if I scroll towards the bottom there, we can also see we've got risks and mitigations, which I've covered. We've got appendices as well, where it lets us know. I think these are really crucial because it lets us know where it got that information from right here, which is key. As a thank you, I'm going to link the free tutorial on how to test products using AI video ads so you can quickly learn if people are interested in these products without spending a ton of time, money. The video will be somewhere on the screen.